Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. And tonight we are looking at this question. It says that name the planet identifiable with each of the following statements. Okay? The first one, the hottest planet in the solar system. Yeah, what is that one? That one is Venus. Venus is the hottest. It has a thick atmosphere, and it's made worse by even containing carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas leading to global warming. Okay, then which planet is this one? Has extreme temperatures, 462 during day and 173 degrees during night, caused by lack of atmosphere. So which planet is that? Okay, that one is Mercury. Mercury is characterized by having extreme temperatures. Okay, then we come here. Only planet in the universe to harbor life. Yeah, what is that? That is Earth. So far, signs of life have been found on Earth only. Okay, commonly known as the red planet because of its red surface rich in iron ore or iron oxide. Okay, so which planet is this one? This one is called Mars. Okay, then we come to this one. The largest planet, 10 times the Earth's size in the solar system. So which one is the largest planet in the solar system? It's Jupiter. Okay, then comes this one. Says famous for its rings, which spans over 200,000 kilometers wide. Yeah, which planet is that one? That is Saturn. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that first planet to be discovered using telescope, believed to have oceans of liquid water, ammonia, and methane. Yeah, what planet is that? That is Uranus. Yes, it was the first planet to be discovered using telescope. And we come to this one. It says that it has mostly methane in the atmosphere and has strongest winds. Yeah, they said these winds are so strong, they are stronger than hurricane, 10 times stronger than hurricane. So what planet is that? That is Neptune. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that name the astronomical term identifiable with each of the following statements. Okay, the first one says that the small rocky objects that are believed to be leftovers from the formation of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago are found mostly in the region between Mars and Jupiter. Yeah, what are those objects? You have to know that the region between Mars and Jupiter is the region which separates terrestrial from gas giants. That region is referred to as asteroid belt, and it's the region where we mostly find asteroids. So those objects which are found there are called asteroids. Okay, then we come to this one. It has been discussed. The region between Mars and Jupiter. What do we call that region? We call it asteroid belt. Okay, then we come to this one. Region of our solar system beyond Neptune orbit are filled with icy bodies, dwarf planets, and other bodies. Yes, what do we call that region? The region which is very far, actually, beyond our last planet. The region which comes after beyond our last planet, which is Neptune. What do we call that region? We call it Kuiper Belt, written as this. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that objects like Pluto orbiting the Sun, but smaller than the planets. Yeah, how do we call those objects? We call them dwarf planets. Okay, then we come to this one. Icy dusty objects orbiting around the Sun at greater distances commonly found in Kuiper Belt and in predicted Oort cloud. So these are dusty objects, but they are found beyond Neptune. And how do we call them? We call them comets. And then we come here. The vast spherical shell of icy bodies surrounding our solar system composed of comets, asteroids, and primordial bodies located at the edge of the solar system. Yes. Okay, these are singles, but now these are shells. A congregation of asteroid, comets, primordial bodies together, and they are located at the edge of the solar system, which means beyond Neptune. Here we need to know that though we said most of the asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter, yes, there are some which are found in other regions, especially in Kuiper Belt. We can find asteroids there, but they're not very many. So what do you call this congregation of comets, asteroids, and primordial bodies? We call them Oort cloud. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are the best. See you next time. Bye bye.